Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to talk about important topics, I would say, like what is callback. I mean, this is the topic mostly they will ask in an interview section. So when you're using a machine learning with a neural network, you have to understood what is callback because it's play an important role when you are going for the training. Normally, what we do when we are going to give the training, that time we will define how many epochs that we are going to try. So this is some sample code which I am showing now. In the previous video, I have explained a simple way how to create a machine learning neural network model, the simple fashion set meaning data set. So in this uh, code, if you see that I don't use any callback method. So simply I mentioned that in the training session, if you see the epoch is 10. So which means the model will get trained for only 10 epochs. It doesn't care about the accuracy, but it's normally go for the epochs which you defined. But for an example, if you want to train a model until it reaches 95% accuracy at the training set, how could we define that? How could we know that whether the model has reached the 95% accuracy? So in order to define those kind of logic, we need to use the method called callback. So here I am going to introduce a new class. We call it as a my callback. So inside the class, I define one method called on a backend. So if you see this parameter, so just you are pausing the epoch and log details here. So also I define one condition. If logs get accuracy is greater than 0.95, which means it has reached that kind of a threshold. So that we are sending a signal in order to stop the training. Also, in the same way, we need to add one more, we need to call this method, right? So if you see, this is my existing code. So here I never use any callback call, just simply I mentioned for only training the model with only the training, I mean data set and with epoch 10. But if I go down, if you are seeing here, again I've changed that code little bit. Instead of I add one more parameter, it's called it as a callback. So inside the callback, just I call the method name callbacks. So if we go in the top to see, this is the my class name, my callback. So I called here. So in order to execute this code, before we do that, let me change some of things here. So here I have mentioned 98% accuracy. So maybe we can change the epoch. I change epoch is 10 to 50 because it's not sure that we can get that kind of 95% accuracy within 10 epochs. So that is the reason I have changed to 10. Let us run the code. In first level of epochs, we got 82% of accuracy. In the second level of training, we got 86%. Likewise, if you see, it goes as 88. Keep on increasing the percentage. I mean, with the accuracy is getting increased when it's gain training. Let's go pause for a minute. Almost we got, we reached 93%. Still it is training. Guys, if you see here, it stopped at epoch 33 because it's reached 95% of an accuracy. So what we have mentioned the callback. So here, if you see in the callback class, we have mentioned if it is reached 0.95, we need to stop. So if you see the model, it exactly stopped at 95. But still, if you see the epoch is that still it's trained only up to 33. But since it has reached 95% accuracy, the epoch, the callback function has stopped the whole training. Now we'll predict this method. Again, we got the same label as 6. In case if you want to more understand about this in detail about this a fashion ministry data set using machine learning neural network, just go through my previous video. You may get more knowledge and more understanding about this whole process. And now in this video, the main thing is which I have explained about only about callback. I hope it is very clear now. In case if you have any questions or comments, please update in the comment section. I'll do the reply. Thank you all for listening. Thank you once again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.